Imagine fencing and outdoor features that never need painting, never rust, and stand beautiful year after year. Welcome to the world of Value Fencing PVC, the original and largest PVC fencing company in Africa, proudly serving homes, businesses, and estates across South Africa and Namibia. With over 16 years of industry leadership, Value Fencing brings you a complete range of premium-grade PVC products and services designed to elevate every market segment: residential, commercial, and estate. From classic picket and privacy fencing to secure pool and palisade fencing, elegant balustrades, bespoke garden gates, charming pergolas and arbors, to custom CNC-cut louvered panels and privacy screens, every product is designed to be beautiful, secure, and 100% no maintenance. All our products are made from ASTM-certified high-grade uPVC, purpose-designed for outdoor use. They're UV-resistant, won't rot, crack, yellow, or peel, and require absolutely no sanding, sealing, or repainting. Just an occasional rinse with water, and they look like new. Our gate frames and key structural elements are internally reinforced with aluminum, giving unmatched strength and long-term integrity. Our proprietary designs follow engineering principles laid out in SANS 10400 and national building regulations, giving peace of mind in both aesthetic and safety applications. From high-end estates to coastal homes, commercial complexes to boutique developments, clients across Southern Africa trust Value Fencing for solutions that are elegant, reliable, and built to last. Value Fencing products come standard in white, but are fully customizable in design and size, and can easily be painted using acrylic roof paint, no primer required. Your PVC product, your way. Backed by a 20-year warranty on materials and lifetime guarantee on installation, Value Fencing gives you complete confidence. Our products are child-safe, fire-retardant, and trusted by architects, property developers, and estate managers nationwide. So whether you're a homeowner looking for stylish, low-maintenance solutions or an investor ready to join a premium